Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Some of you who are following this channel might remember seeing this car for a service. It's a 2002 Volkswagen Golf TDI, that means turbo diesel. I'm in love with this technology and the gas mileage and the sound and feel of the turbo and so on and so on. And you saw it in the video where the problem was that that parking brake mechanism, which is right here, was seized and it was not releasing. And basically the same thing happened again to the owner, 4 months later. So she brought it here and she said, right, when she pulls her brake, I will say 8 clicks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 clicks, right? And then she lets go. It's actually, right, there's no tension in it, right? It's just completely loose. And that sounds like exactly the same problem. So of course I told her I will look at it for free, because in the case that lubrication which I performed, right, instead of replacing whole caliper, if it doesn't work, I will have to deal with it for free. But look with me here, this is the side I did, and you can really see actually that it's against, this one is working, the cable is not loose, right, and the whole mechanism is against its stopper. Let's go and look on the other side. I put the light here for you so you can see it, and basically what I have fixed or dealt with on the driver's side, that same problem happened basically 4 months later. I forgot, time flies, maybe 6 months later, the same problem happened here. Now, to show you the detail, right, there is a space between the lever and the stopper, right, and as you can see, that cable is not resting, right, because this mechanism is not working properly. It's not coming, let's say, up, right, if I speak the terms, it's not going up. So this is what's happening. It's very simple. And what happened in the past on the other side was actually a little bit worse, because it was stuck so bad that the brake pads were actually scraping the rotor. This case it's not so bad, so I can see I can deal with this case in proper cleaning and lubrication. I already started, right? I don't want to have a mess on the floor. Of course, I will not hesitate to cleaning and spraying with the lubricants. The other side also. I basically took only 5 minutes, right? And let me show you the results. You see the cable is properly sitting, right? But most importantly, look at this. Look at the brake lever, right? Let me position myself. Look how perfectly, you know that sound, right? It was not happening whatsoever. It's going nicely down. Let's go check immediately, right, if it's returning. Look, perfectly seated against that rest, right? Now the wheel is nicely spinning, right? Let me show you. When I pull it, right, boom, there's no way I will be able to move this. It's absolutely perfectly working, and I will consider this maintenance. It's unfortunate. You see all that dust? This is basically culprit. This is what's causing this part slowly working worse and worse. And because she didn't have any other problems with the brakes, right? The brakes were not dragging or the brake pads were scraping the rotor. It wasn't the case this time. So we clearly see it's just those levers for the parking brake mechanism weren't working correctly. and this simple lubrication and cleaning all that dust and sand, let's say, all that makes the difference. And make absolutely sure you are subscribed, because we will be filming ton of great videos in this brand new space we are renting for you very soon. Thank you for watching today, and have a wonderful day, my friend.